April 2026, the FDA will act on an application for approval of ORCA-T, an investigational, allogeneic, precision-engineered cell therapy developed by Orca Bio for patients undergoing hematopoietic stem cell transplantation. Animedix News investigative reporter Nick Nucleus is on site to tell us more.
Thanks, Sally. I'm here with a couple of fellows here outside of Orca Bio, some of the many folks eagerly awaiting the PDUFA decision for ORCA-T. Can you educate us on what you guys do?
I am a T-cell. My job is to scan for unwanted invaders. Every cell presents fragments of itself, peptides on MHC. I read them constantly. This is how I know it's self. If these cells are presenting something I don't recognize, I activate and kill. That's how I eliminate and kill infected and malignant cells.
But he doesn't act alone. Tell us about yourself.
I am a regulatory T cell or Treg. My job is to keep those guys in check so that they don't get too excited and cause collateral damage to good cells. I absorb IL-2, a cytokine that agitates killer T cells, and I release IL-10, which calms the whole inflammatory process down. Some cancers learn to exploit this balance. They alter what they present. They suppress killer T cell activation. They survive by blending into self.
Yeah. Then, with current treatments, everything changes. In a bone marrow transplant, us old T cells get wiped out with chemotherapy and are replaced by donor T cells. These guys can still recognize the cancer cells and kill them. We call it the graft-versus-leukemia effect.
But these hotshots don't just see cancer. Since they are from a different person, they can view self-proteins as foreign and they attack them too. That's bad. This is graft-versus-host disease.
So the challenge isn't activation, it's balance. ORCA-T, developed by Orca Bio, is designed to create that balance from the start. It delivers not just effector T cells, but regulatory T cells together in controlled proportions. Right at the moment, the immune system is rebuilt, so the donor T cells still scan, recognize cancer, and kill it.
But Tregs like me are there to chill them out so they don't attack the host.
Because the difference between healing and harm is not whether killer T cells act on, but how well they are controlled when they do. Nick Nucleus, Animedix News.